Hi, my name is Ivana Jaric, and I'm group leader in the Institute of Laboratory Animal Sciences at the University of Zurich in Switzerland. My group, neuroendocrinology group, has two main lines of research. First, we study the molecular mechanisms underlying female-specific vulnerability to mood disorders. And here we try to understand how oral contraceptive use shapes the brain and behavior, and also to disentangle how endometriosis, a highly neglected female reproductive disorder, contributes to the development of depression and anxiety. But also we are focused on developing evidence-based guidelines to improve the sex as a biological variable framework in preclinical rodent research in order to make it more translationally relevant. And this is actually the reason I submitted the COST Action grant, and now I'm serving as an action chair and the leader of Working Group 3, which will provide the cross-disciplinary experimental and analytical strategies for sex-inclusive research. My motivation for submitting the EU-SABV COST Action came from a very simple reason. Now, when researchers are asked to account for sex in their studies, they often do not know how. There is a lack of clear tools and guidelines, especially across different scientific disciplines, and we want to fix that. My goal is to build a strong, connected, interdisciplinary community in Europe, the community that supports researchers, clinicians, and other stakeholders at all career stages, the community which shares best practice and improves the quality and impact of research when both sexes are included. Also the community that aims not only to understand whether sex differences exist, but also how those differences are mediated while putting a more focus on female health, which is still largely neglected. We offer support, share expertise, and provide practical tools for conducting sex-inclusive research. By joining us, you become a part of knowledge and experience-driven community working toward more inclusive biomedical science.